Hi everyone, welcome to my art channel Art Tales by Shravanti. Today's video is about this beautiful blend of colors, Tropical Sunset. I am Shravanti, residing in United States with my husband and son. My work usually includes watercolors, acrylics and oil colors, watercolors being my favorite. Here I started the painting with wet on wet technique, that is by wetting the whole surface of the paper with water. Then I added the lemon yellow from Darko watercolor set. The brush I am using is from Silver Black Velvet. It is size 8 and it goes very well with the watercolors. I added the same lemon yellow to the reflection part as well, blending the colors with water. And then I added the double coat for the same lemon yellow just to create the vibrancy. Smoothing the edges out with water, I introduced a little bit of peach color in between. And then I started with the red color from the same Darko watercolor set. I started giving the highlights here and there. Just go freehand. Make sure you're giving the right highlights and slowly transitioning the color from yellow to orange and then to red. And blending out everything, which creates the depth in the painting. Adding magenta on the top part. This magenta is from Viviva color sheet. They have extraordinary vibrancy. They are very lightweight and transparent as well. And now violet from the same Viviva color sheets. Blending both violet and magenta together. They go very well together, and giving some highlights with violet into magenta and red, blending out them. Blending and more blending so that it creates a depth in the painting. Now I am using the dry brush technique with lemon yellow. So this time the lemon yellow is little brighter than the base coat, which gives the reflections part more clarity. And then going into red, blending out both lemon yellow and red together. And I started with the Viviva now, magenta color. Blending both violet and magenta in the reflections part. Here I made the rough sketch of island and where the palm trees go. I'm using black ink. It is called Speedball India ink. It is very fast drying, lightweight and waterproof as well. It is very bold and it gives the special attraction to the painting. I started with the palm tree, the leaves of the palm tree, just going freehand, very randomly with the leaves. The beauty of this palm trees lies in going freehand, and it turns out to be very good. We need not worry about it. The brush which I am using here is from Darko. It's called Darko Fine Detail Brush. It's a round brush and it is very good for detailings. I love it better than any other brush for the details. And just like that, out of nowhere, I made this wrong stroke and now I am struggling to patch it up. And finally, there you go. I patched it up and it looks okay. At first, I am worried about that, but then it looks just fine now. I'm overlapping both the first tree and second tree, and I always find it okay to overlap both the trees until you have the clarity of where the leaves are going and how the shape of the leaves is going to be. Quickly finishing up on the second tree. Filling out those gaps, and the third tree. The same technique for the palm trees. The shorter strokes, the thinner strokes. And now I am in good form by the end. I love the third tree better than the first two. Adding out some grass here and there. Now it comes to a good shape. Here I added out the lighter shade of the ink in the reflections of the palm tree just to get an idea how they are going to look. And it also gives kind of blurry effect to the tree as a shadow. So after the rough sketch for all the three trees, just placing the leaves where they are going to be. Now I started with a little darker shade of the ink, and I started filling out the leaves, and I absolutely love the bold finish than the dull finish. So I just started darkening up everything. I made it look not so dark or not so light. And I wasn't calculating anything. I was just going freehand. This gave me a hard time in the whole painting. Um, like the judgment whether it has to be a little darker or a little lighter, or how is it going to look as a whole. All these things mattered a much. I added little darker highlights in the water. I decided to wrap up the painting here. It looks like this finally, and I'm very happy about the output. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video, and let me know your views in the comment section below. I'll go through each and every comment, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you.